Welcome to this detailed tutorial on using the WordPress code block. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to log into WordPress, access the site editor, insert your own custom code, and save your work. Whether you're adding HTML snippets, styling with CSS, or experimenting with JavaScript, this guide will show you exactly how to do it safely and effectively. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the main WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look around and locate the Login button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be taken to the WordPress login page. Here, you'll see several options for signing in. One of the quickest and most secure methods is to continue with Google. Go ahead and select Continue with Google, then choose the Google account you'd like to use. This saves you the time of manually entering your username and password. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that, and you'll be taken directly into the WordPress site editor. Inside the site editor, you can customize your website's layout, design, and content. This is where you'll be working with the code block. Now, look toward the top right corner of your editor. You'll see a small plus icon. This is your Add Block button. Click on it to bring up the block inserter panel. In the search bar that appears, type the word Code WordPress will instantly filter your options and display a block labeled Code. Click on that option to insert a new code block into your page. You'll now see an empty space where you can enter your custom code. This is your coding area. It's specifically designed for users who want to embed snippets of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other types of code directly into a page or post. You can either type your code manually or paste it in from another source. Make sure your code is formatted correctly. Even a small error can affect how your page displays. For example, you might paste in a short HTML snippet like a custom button, or add a few lines of CSS to style a section differently. The code block keeps your formatting clean and prevents WordPress from trying to interpret your code as a text. Once you've added your custom code, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right of the screen. Click it to store your updates permanently. After saving, your code will take effect on your live website, giving you complete control over how that section appears or behaves. And that's it. You've just learned how to log into WordPress, open the site editor, insert a code block, and safely add your own custom code. By mastering the code block, you open the door to endless customization options, letting you fine-tune your site exactly the way you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.